date swirling with roaring conquests, cosmic leaps, and just enough scandal to fuel your next binge watch. Hello there, fearless history junkies, and welcome to Today in History for 25 May. We've gathered 20 jaw-dropping stories sure to leave you wide-eyed at dinner or unstoppable at trivia night. If you're drawn to heroic stands, cunning conspiracies, or madcap breakthroughs, smash that subscribe button now. Buckle in, our time machine is revved for a wild ride. Number 20. On 25 May 1085, King Alfonso VI of León and Castile recaptured Toledo from Muslim rule, opening a gateway for Christian reconquest in Iberia and forging a monumental medieval turning point. Number 19. On 25 May 1521, Holy Roman Emperor Charles V issued the Edict of Worms, branding Martin Luther an outlaw. This fiery condemnation catapulted Europe into the rifts of the Protestant Reformation. Number 18. On 25 May 1809, the Chuquisaca Revolution in modern-day Bolivia erupted, sparking Latin America's struggle against Spanish colonial power. Rebels contested royal authority, lighting the fuse for broader independence movements. Number 17. On 25 May 1810, Argentine patriots formed the First Government Junta in Buenos Aires, dethroning Spain's viceroy. Their May Revolution triggered a chain reaction of independence bids across South America. Number 16. On 25 May 1895, writer Oscar Wilde was convicted of gross indecency and sentenced to hard labor. Society parted ways with the flamboyant wit, fueling a tragic downfall amid Victorian hypocrisy. Number 15. On 25 May 1925, high school teacher John T. Scopes was indicted for teaching evolution in Tennessee, launching the monkey trial. Clarence Darrow and William Jennings Bryan soon battled wits in court. Number 14. On 25 May 1935, Babe Ruth smashed his final 3 home runs, including 714, for the Boston Braves in Pittsburgh. The Sultan of Swat's record would stand for nearly 40 years. Number 13. On 25 May 1946, Transjordan, now Jordan, claimed full independence from Britain under King Abdullah VIII. Eager Jordanians celebrated amid the desert sun, forging a monarchy that endures in the modern era. Number 12. On 25 May 1961, President John F. Kennedy urged Congress to land a man on the moon before the decade's end. America's cosmic ambitions soared, igniting the Apollo program's legendary countdown. Number 11. On 25 May 1963, 32 African states founded the Organization of African Unity in Addis Ababa. Although it evolved over time, their unity pitch shaped regional cooperation across the continent. Number 10. On 25 May 1967, Celtic FC became the first British club to win the European Cup, defeating Internationale 2-1. Scottish pubs erupted with songs, forging Celtic's immortal Lisbon Lions legacy. Number 9. On 25 May 1977, George Lucas's Star Wars premiered, unleashing lightsabers, space battles, and a lifelong obsession with droids. Pop culture would never be the same, nor would toy store shelves. Number 8. On 25 May 1979, Ridley Scott's sci-fi thriller Alien debuted in cinemas, hatching claustrophobic terror from chest-bursting xenomorphs and traumatizing fans. Its sleek, horrifying creature designs redefined cosmic nightmares. Number 7. On 25 May 1979, American Airlines Flight 191 crashed after takeoff in Chicago, killing all 271 aboard plus 2 on the ground. Grief rattled the aviation world and spurred safety reforms. Number 6. On 25 May 1983, Return of the Jedi soared into theaters, concluding the original Star Wars trilogy with Ewoks' fatherly confessions and epic lightsaber duels that sent nerds reeling in delight. Number 5. On 25 May 1986, over 6 million Americans joined Hands Across America, forming a human chain to raise funds for homelessness and hunger. Sweaty palms, but a philanthropic record was set. Number 4. On 25 May 2000, Israeli troops withdrew from southern Lebanon after 22 years of occupation, spurring celebrations among local residents and prompting debate over the region's unsettled boundaries and future security. Number 3, on 25 May 2001, fans honored Douglas Adams with the first Towel Day, brandishing terry cloth in tribute to The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, because a towel is about the most massively useful thing. Number 2, on 25 May 2008, NASA's Phoenix spacecraft landed near Mars's North Pole, digging through ice-laden soil. Its robotic arm's icy finds fed hopes for discovering life's building blocks on the red planet. Number 1, on 25 May 2018, the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, came into force, jolting inboxes with privacy updates. Businesses scrambled while users discovered a new era of cookie pop-ups. And that's your 25 May roundup. If these time warp tidbits left you starry-eyed, hit subscribe and get hyped for tomorrow's equally mind-boggling date. Whispers say we'll stumble on cunning escapades, heroic underdogs, and maybe a cameo from your favorite historical wizard. Ready to keep blazing through centuries of shockers? Stick around.